current investment stands at 8,000 rupees. There's a shortfall which I discussed in my yesterday's video. I'm gonna find new ways to invest this week. I'll keep you guys posted. So I made the call to the Rolex showroom in Mumbai, and on the other end was this lady who was very well spoken. I spoke to her about my intention of getting this particular model, and lo and behold, she said no, there isn't one which is available. So then I try to be a little charming. I say, hey, listen, I know you've been working here for the longest time. Can you at least give me a sense of the waiting time, because I want to buy this for a special event? And she flatly refused to give me any information. She said, sir, we do not have that information. It keeps changing on demand, etc, etc. I'm sure they're trained to say this. And next thing that she said is that she wants me to come down to the showroom and physically meet them and make my booking of sorts. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about, like, you know, like it's going to a Rolex showroom can be quite stressful. Apparently people who can't afford Rolexes will stand there behind the counter and judge you. And see, I'm in marketing, so the last thing that you want the customer to feel is small, and the bare minimum that you can do is to be humble and be nice to the customer. But unfortunately, luxury sells on the snob value, right? I mean, it's unfortunate. And besides that, there's another problem that I see. I want the watch on July 2026, but I have no sense of what the wait time is, because I've seen YouTube videos, I've read blogs where people have got their Oyster Perpetuals in 3 weeks time, in about a month's time. So if I happen to go to the showroom and if I book the watch now, what if I get the watch in a month's time? And that would actually be the purpose of this mission altogether, because the idea was to take the 1 year period to get the watch. So I'll have to rethink the strategy altogether now. I'll have to time it in a way where I make a booking and which is close to my birthday next year, and just keep my fingers crossed that I get the watch in July.